Some people are really trifling, man.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell.
Be careful of the company you keep. Let me say it one more time. Be careful of the company you keep. I'm sure your mom, your grandma, your auntie, a very wise woman, or just a very wise person in your life has told you that, but listen, for real, watch the company you keep because you never know who is jealous of you. So, I watch true crime stories, and lately, I got back into really watching them. And, this past week, I've just been watching true crime stories, and all I can think is, these people are wicked. They're wicked, heartless, grimy. It's how do you feel sorry and justified to take somebody else's life? And you know what the worst part is? It's always the person's closest to the victim, man. I was watching, I've been watching plenty. I've been watching little clips on YouTube. The one I left off watching was with an older woman was murdered by her grandson because he was robbing her as he was supposed to be fixing her roofing. Another one I was watching was this woman, a cop got her pregnant, lied to her, said he was separated from his wife. She was dealing with him for 10 years. He got her pregnant, and mind you, she didn't even want nothing to do with him. She was cool being a single mother and raising a baby on her own. He murdered her and then tried to set it up like it was a suicide. Then another one was a boxer, a loved one. He was very loved. He had a dude that he thought was his friend, and they sparred, and the guy couldn't beat him. And mind you, they sparred years ago, and he held on to that resentment for years. For years. Mind you, this is someone who was loved. Some people have nothing bad to say about him. His name was Stan. I'm probably gonna put that in my link. All of these, I'm definitely gonna put in my link probably. Anyway, and innocent. He had no idea that this dude was beefing with him. He looked at him as a friend. This dude killed him on Thanksgiving Day. After egging him on to fight him, Stan did not want to fight him. He's nah, I don't want to fight you. It's not that deep. They fought. Stan whooped his ass. And Stan's listen, no beef. He killed him on Thanksgiving Day. It's really the people closest to you. And it's so sad. Yo. Well, my mom used to tell me, yo, be careful of that person, that. And I'm man, whatever. That's just my mom. And then the people will really show me their asses. Yo, I really should have listened to my mom because it's crazy. You never know who's hating on you, who's preying on you, waiting to kill you. Because, the one woman with the cop, it was premeditated. He had a suicide note for her before he even killed her. How wicked is that? And I ain't gonna get started on the family who be defending the fucked up people. That's gonna be another video. But y'all, you honestly have to be careful of the company you keep, guys. Be very careful, be cautious. I know you've been told before by your mama. If you are not sure of the person, bring them to your mama, to your grandma, or your auntie, because they're gonna be that person's spirit is not right and it does not sit well with me. So guys, once again, be careful of the company you keep because you never know what nasty, negative, grimy ass people are in your circle and they just waiting for that moment. I know I had an ugly face, but guys, if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell, that what? Hit that bell, that bell, so you can get my notifications. Guys, I'm late, as usual, and I'm so sorry. And I know I keep saying sorry and keep doing the same thing, but I am sorry. I'm gonna get it together one day. But guys, mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.